Oh, the rain is coming. Time to go cressida cruising. Let's do it. This looks like the big rain we're supposed to get this weekend, so I gotta edit some videos. Hi, guy. Shitty deal. I love this car. Oh, but I just had to drive this thing this year. Sure goes for an automatic car, I'm telling you. I never enjoyed an automatic so much. I can't jump this because the frame is so shitty. Dash says we got lots of problems. Oh, let's go do a couple donuts. That'll go with the Tim Hortons I had this morning. Like I'm on ice. Died. What the fuck? Now what? I don't believe this. Toyota shouldn't die. Piece of shit. Stuck out in the middle of nowhere. Thunderstorm coming. I don't know what happened yet. Fuel pump's still working. Oh, wow, what happened? Cool. Nice shock towers with the spring inspection port. Oh well. Nice hood. Oh. Where'd that crap come from? I knew Wolf could never catch me. Wow, this car drives just like brand new. Can't control it, holy shit. Just walking that ass end around. I like it. Whoops. Got a little carried away and I was thinking about my next beer. We now end this moment in history for a beer break. Wow, oh my god, we got a window that works. Now I can keep my gas can dry. Cool. Let's try that one. It goes down. Oh, now it's working. What a hell of a car. The end, and no bees were harmed in the making of this video.